Hello friends, till now we have seen rank, dense rank and row number function. We have noticed that we can use it on entire table or we can bifurcate or partition that by using partition by clause. The whole process of partitioning and applying functions on whole table of a specific section of the table. The entire aspect is the function or operation of the rank, dense rank, all of these functions and this specific partition we define either the entire table itself or each and every partition is defined called a window. And hence all of these function is known as window function which we have studied so far, rank function. If there is a query where we use this particular window range very frequently, for example, where we are applying all the three windows, we actually copy pasted that particular window definition for all three various definitions. It might not be very optimal. Instead, we define that window in one particular section of the query and use something like alias for windows as well. Yes, we can use range as window alias. We can do that particular, we can see practical example. So named windows are the range in some query which defines some particular attribute or we want to define some particular attribute in some particular range that is known as named window. We discussed that till now we discussed that rank function dense and can be applied to the entire table or a specific segment of the table. ठीक है, depending upon partition by and we call each of these range as windows. In each case, in cases where partition by did not mention, the whole table access the window and you just mention the order by clause in case you are partition by. So how do we make sure that entire concept can be easily written? So we will use the concept of named window syntax for we can show you learn that you can use multiple window functions in the same query. Now you may have noticed that in one of the query we use the same windows in both the window functions. Rank, dense rank, these are the window functions. This make the code heavier and difficult to tweak as and when the need arises. So in this segment you learn how to create, store and use named windows. So the same window can be used to define multiple overflows. You can define the window once, give it a name and then refer to the name in the overflows. A named window makes it easier to experiment with multiple window functions and observe their effects on the query results. You may need to modify window definition in the window clause rather than using multiple overclose definitions. So this is the applicability of window function. And the syntax is like as window function first written as we write window, name of window as window spec. Window named as window SP means window specification. These SPs are denoted for window specification. So we can use multiple window in same query. Okay. We provide specification of the window in the bracket. So we can have multiple window in the same query and we can add window name and so on. We saw the syntax of the window itself. Now the next question, where we do apply this and how exactly we just apply this. So the order in which the various SQL statement appears in a query is as select from join where group by having window and order by. So it comes before order by and it comes after the group by clause and after the filtering. So each window clause within the same query must have a unique name. Window function come before always order by clause. So now we just go to the workbench and we will see how practically we can write it down we can write it down when named window function. So we will obtain discount by various orders for a customer, and we had applied a rank. We will apply rank function, we will apply window function here, and we will extract the discount by various orders for a customer. How we can write it down? So first thing, for order and customer, there are two attribute and discount. So order is in market factful and customer name is in the dimension. So first I want to tell you that we need to write it down uh, inner join. So first write the clause, select order ID. Select order ID, discount and customer name, which you really want to see here. Then after from from here, from table name and inner join table 2 on the link field this, where customer name is this. Now rank, use rank, dense rank and row number in the same query. So what will rank? After that, after where, use window function. Window W as order by discount. We want to see the discounts, then we will order by discount. We want to see window as order by in the discount in the way of how much discount we really got. So we will use order by discount. Window W. Window W as W is the window and we are writing window as order by of discount in the descending order. So after writing this, we will go to the rank function, how to write it. So we will go to the rank and we will see rank over W as this. Dense rank over W as this. What is W? W is the window. Okay, so we are extracting 3 columns from this window. Rank over W, dense rank over W, row number over W as column areas. So we are giving as a rank, as a dense rank, as a row number, 3 columns there. We are writing here 3 columns. We will see them as a 3 different columns as a window, which is window which will specify rank, dense rank and row number, and window is the having this kind of attribute, window by order by discount. So it will specify, it will rank, dense rank or row number the discount of the discount for that particular customer. So if I am going to run this, see 0.10, same discount for 2 different order ID, then it will have 1 and it will have 2, it won't have any gap, but rank function have gap. After 1 it will have 3, but row number function will eliminate all this problem and it will provide 1 2 3 4 5. It will have 3 4, it's having 2 3, okay, 4 5 6. So for some particular customer, it is window function is used for windowing, for providing window for discount, and we will after extracting discount from there, we are using rank function, and rank function is providing 3 different columns where we have used rank, dense rank and row number. I hope all of you got how to write it down. Okay. Then it will keep reducing heaviness of for your coding, for your query, and it makes it quite easier for the compiler, so it can improve some performance aspect. So from summary, we are extracting, so from 2 tables we are extracting the order ID with having discount and customer name. So if we are we want to write it down for multiple customer, it's a customer specified, how we will write down? We will write down in the same way, but we will remove the clause here. because where is specifying the customer. Then for multiple customer, how we will write down the same query? We will write down inner join, select from, we will mention three attribute from market factful inner join. One table is left hand side, one table is right hand side, as column as column table alias M and C, and we will remove filter window W, as we will use here partition by, because it will have parts on the basis of customer name. Then we will use order by. Got it? So this is the difference. First, it will provide the all the information about one customer. Then it will provide all the information about second customer for all the order. It will provide rank, dense rank, and row number output. So if we are going to run this for all the customer in my database, for some particular product, if I am going to see this one, Arun Bergman is the customer who is having this discount for some particular order, which is quite different each and every order ID. And here 1 2 3 4 4, here 1 2 3 4 4, and 5, same rank. But in here it will have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So row number function eliminate the all the disadvantage over here, and window function will provide segregate the data in a beautiful way. First, it provide all the information about Arun Bergman, then it will provide all the information about another one customer. So I hope you understood how to use different rank function, different rank function with window function with inner join, and we can use as column alias the output of rank function. So I mean, the output is of this. If we are not able to identify, we are not able to write query over rank and window functions, then it's very complicated to get the data for each and every customer, for each and every order ID, how much discount is there, and how much rank, dense rank, and row number is there. It's very tough, I guess. But by using all these functions, you can use it. You can extract such kind of information from your database. So I hope you understood how to write down and what is the beauty of using window functions, named window. We have used window W here. Okay, friends. In my next class, I will start from the next topic. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel if you really like. Thank you.